Buenas tardes, clase. Hoy estamos jugando solamente un juego de bingo. Para este juego, debes llamar bingo antes de 1:25. So what I just said is, good afternoon, guys. Today we are playing only one game of bingo. And so for this game of bingo, you must call bingo before 1:25. I'll be posting this bingo at the typical start of class. And so you must play the game and call bingo before 1:25. Okay? So remember on your bingo sheets to mark the numbers 45 and 55, 45 y 55, as free spaces because we're missing the numbers for that. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. All right, the very first number is tres. Número tres. Number 3 is the very first number. Also, after this game today, there will be a Kahoot posted, and it's part of your assignment to complete the Kahoot. It's a Kahoot quiz, so make sure you do that after this game. All right, so just one game today. All right, the next number is 51. 51, which is 51. 51, 51. And so the first person who calls bingo will win, and we're only doing one bingo this game, okay? It's kind of hard to keep track of when we have a whole bunch of people calling bingo during this time period. So we're just going to do one bingo winner for this game, whoever calls it first. All right, coming up next, we have 42. 42, which is 42. 42. 42. All right, coming up next, we have 73. 73, which is 73. 73. So make sure you're catching up on missing assignments. If you ever need help, contact me on Google Hangouts. The next one that's coming up is 18, which is 18. 18. 18. 18. All right, let's see what we have next. All right, coming up next, we have 49. 49, which is 49. 49. 49. 49. All right, coming up next, we have 13. Número 13, which is 13. Number 13. 13. All right, let's see what we have now. All right, we have 67. 67, which is 67. 67. So one of the phrases that we've been learning lately is alquilar un video. Alquilar un video. And today I have my Blockbuster shirt on. Make it a Blockbuster night. I don't know if any of you guys remember Blockbuster. It was a video store back in the day. You probably do. You guys were around during Blockbuster age. All right, coming up next, we have 43. 43, which is 43. 43 is 43. 43. 43. Let's see what we have next. Is anyone one away somehow? No one's one away? All right. Coming up next, we have 70. 70 is 70. 70. 70. Now we have 8. Now, número 8, which is number 8. 8. Número 8. All right, coming up next, we have 72. 72, which is 72. 72, 72. now we have 52. 52. 52. 52, which is 52. As usual, my cat's hanging out with me here. There she is, laying on my sweatshirt to stay warm. Okay, let's see what we have next. All right, now we have 44. 44, which is 44. 44. 44. And now we have 28. 28. I'm trying to block out the light there so you can see it there. 28, which is 28. 28. 28. All right, let's see what we have now. Coming up next, we have 32. 32, which is 32. 32. 32. And now, 27. 27, which is 27. 27. All right, what do we have next? Next we have 65. 65, which is 65. 65. 65. Número 65. 65. And coming up next, we have lucky number 7. Number 7. 7. 7. Number 7. All right, let's see what we have next. We have 63. 63, which is 63. 63. 63. 63. All right. Coming up next, we have 9. 9, which is number 9. 9, number 9. And now, hopefully you all know this one. 1. 1. Numero 1. Number 1. 1. Numero 1. Anyone 1 away out there? 2 away? Coming up next, we have 40. 40 is 40. 40. 40. All right, let's see what we have here. Now we have 68. 68. 60 is the 60s. 68. 68 is 68. Now we have 48. 48. 48. 48. 48. Sesenta y nueve. 69, which is 69. 69. And now we have 47. 47. 47. 47 is 47. 47. And now we have 54. 54 is 54. 54 is 54. All right, so message me on Google Hangouts if you know this in English. 41. 41. Go ahead and message me if you know this one. Again, this is a recording, but I am taking a look at my Google Hangouts while you play. So, 41. All right, 41, if you haven't typed it in already, is 41. 41. 41. And next we have quattro. Numero quattro. Just number 4. Quattro. And now treinta. Treinta. Number 30 is treinta. And now number dos. Numero dos. I almost said it in English. Numero dos, which is 2. Numero dos is 2. Alright, now we have 24. 24 is 24. 24. 24. Okay. And now we have 26. So if 24 is 24, what is 26? 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know that the 20s are 20s. Anything that starts with 20 is in the 20s. Alright? We have 26. So 26 is 26. 26 is 26. 26. And now we have 21. 21 is 21. 21. 21. Alright, coming up next. Alright, the driving age in the United States. 16. 16. Which is 16. 16. Alright, coming up next we have 10. 10. Number 10. 10. And next we have 25. 25 is 25. 25 is 25. 25. Alright guys, so I'll call a few more numbers. Alright, I think I'm gonna call 3 more numbers. Alright, so the first of the 3. 22. 22 is 22. 22 is 22. Second to last number is 71. 71 is 71. 71. And the very last number is 38. 38. Alright, hope you guys had fun playing bingo. What I want you to do next is I want you to move on to the next assignment, which is the Kahoot that I posted. After you do the Kahoot, if you have some free time, I suggest that you do Duolingo. It's important that you are on Duolingo every day, 10, 15 minutes a day on Duolingo. It's very important. But Duolingo isn't the assignment for today. Kahoot is. So Duolingo is like supplementary. If you want to do it, do it. But the assignment today after this is Kahoot. All right, see you guys later.